Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cecilia. I am a Akashic Moon Oracle, Sacred Feminine Visionary Channel in service of the Divine Feminine. Today, I am pulling a tarot card from the Crow Tarot. And the Crow Tarot is an amazing card deck. And I have drawn the card, the Sun, today. So there we go. It's a beautiful Sun card. Keywords are optimism, positivity, success, happiness, and good fortune. The element of this card is fire. So the crow stands fearlessly on the back of a glistening white horse with her wings reaching outward in freedom. She is open to the radiant energy of the sun as it illuminates her soul and brings success to all she desires to accomplish. She comes to you with a message that luck is on your side, and you will soon feel the brightness and warmth of the abundant sun. Bask in all the infinite potentiality entering into your life at this time, and allow this energy to raise your frequency. Feel how that feels to step into infinite abundance, infinite possibilities, infinite and unconditional gratitude, love, support. So my question for you today, how does it feel to look beyond the clouds and step into the beautiful light that is you? Today's energy is the heart chakra, and the color is green. Our heart chakra is repeating every Thursday. And the main theme for the heart chakra is that we share compassion. We share compassion for ourselves, for each other, for our planet, the flora, the fauna, our guides and our ancestors. We are cloaked in infinite and unconditional gratitude, love, and support. So the heart chakra also is supporting our capacity to love deeply and unconditionally. And we step into showering that for ourselves each and every day as it fills and overflows and flows out into that vibrational energy, magnetizing, manifesting, and attracting that which we desire to bring into form. Our healing properties harmonize the mind and the body. So we have great, amazing, this energetic vibration is the pulse of the universe, if you will. And it's amazing. And it is effervescent as it's scintillating, shimmering energy. And I can feel it just like bubbling up from the center of the earth and up through and up into and above to the chakra energies, into the cosmos. And as I breathe, I can feel the ebb and the flow of how the cycles come in, and the energy with breathing in. That vibrational magnetism is amazing. Stay tuned for more. I'm Shannon Cecilia. Welcome to becoming. Ta for now.